In today's video, I will walk you through how to create threads in Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Discord and go to the text channel where you want to create a thread. Choose a channel that matches the topic of your conversation, such as a general, support, or project channel. With the channel open, find the message you want to start the thread from. Hover over the message and click the Create Thread icon. You can also click the three dots on the message and select Create Thread from the menu. A thread panel will now appear. Enter a clear and descriptive thread name so other members can quickly understand the topic. Next, check the Auto Archive setting. This controls how long the thread remains active after there are no new messages. Choose a duration that fits your conversation. Now, type your first message in the thread. This message should introduce the topic, provide context, or ask the question you want to discuss. Click Send to start the thread. The thread will now appear as a focused conversation connected to the original channel. Other members can join the thread and reply without filling up the main channel with additional messages. This makes threads especially useful for keeping busy conversations organized. If you don't see the Create Thread option, you may not have permission to create threads in that channel. Check the channel permissions or ask a server administrator for access. That's it. Open a text channel, choose a message, select Create Thread, give it a name, set the auto archive duration, and send your first message. And that's how to create threads in Discord. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.